So, what is up, guys? I'm back on this 24-foot .242 Yamaha, and basically, I've got to drain the tank. For all of you that have not seen the video before this one, there's a big hole in the bottom, and I've got to take the tank out. And really, it's like the end of the day, and I was going to try to tip it up. That wasn't working. Had a few other ideas. That wasn't really working either. I was going to use the motors pump to pump the tank and that kind of thing. And ultimately, I'm just going to have to go buy one, which requires a trip. It's a pain in my ass. So I've been doing everything that I can do. Cutting up some fiber. You know what I mean? And I'm mixing up some color, which I'm testing right now. And basically, you know, for the most part, white is white. But really, it's not. You look at this thing, it's white, but it's not. You can see the seats are cream, right? And the tint in the paint kind of has the same kind of thing going on. There's like a creamy, sort of pinkish tan color, right? So the stuff in the can is bright white. And actually, the stuff I got in the can that I just recently bought for this job, it's got kind of a grayish tint to it that I didn't like. So I decided to fall back on some stuff that I have left over. And mix up a quart of that. And this. About as good as it's going to get, I believe. And what I did was actually added a very small drop of this and a very small drop of that. Added a little bit of styrene to thin it out, basically. I am actually pretty happy with that color. I will test a spot when I get to it, and I think what I'm going to do is go run and grab a pump. Maybe even in the morning on my way in, and I'll do all that tomorrow. That way I'm not wasting time, wasting a trip. I can do all that. I figured I'd fill it with this kind of stuff, and actually it's kind of cool that I'm going to jump on it. I already have some color mixed up that's ready for that whole boat. And I don't know, I might need a little bit more than this. Like I was saying, this is just a quart, but it's thinned out. So probably what I'll do is make another one. So in any case, if you made this far, you made it pretty far. Thanks again for tuning in. Go ahead and like and subscribe. You will get notification for this and other jobs. Do appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot.